there and shut up and say stand against the wall. Yeah, that's great. Hide the gun.
Yeah, I was asking it before.
Okay, here's what you gotta say. Master, there's a villain you must stop.
Master, there's a
Look at the
villain.
camera.
Master, there's a villain you must stop.
Oh, good. Yeah, you're too close. Who is it, Alfred? Looks like I'm already dressed for the job, eh? Ha! Yeah, I'm Batman. Wait, no, record me. No, just do go. Take this. Who's the villain, Alfred? Now say, it's me, and take out the gun and point at
It's
me and
me!
stop and shoot it at me.
Uh,
Say, it's me, master.
It's me, Master.
You're supposed to shoot. Stop. Don't move. Point straight ahead. Stop. Go. Choo, 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 choo. Actually move the gun. Stop. You actually shoot. Do it again. Like, do it 8 times. Say it louder. No, record it.
It's an mission to retarded.
No, hold it so you can see it in front of Not the whole freaking gun.
You can't.
Whatever. The whole freaking gun. I go, what the heck? Don't cover me up with it. Stop recording.